Imagine losing a tooth and growing it back naturally in a matter of months. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's not impossible? In fact, it's already happening. Think again. Welcome to Intelxis Core, your home for exploring the futuristic science and mind-bending technologies that are reshaping our world. We peel back the curtain on the breakthroughs that will define our future. Today, we're diving deep into a revolutionary medical frontier, groundbreaking human trials that could allow us to regenerate our own teeth. This isn't a distant dream. It's a scientific reality unfolding right now, and it's much closer than you might think. Stay tuned. Dental health is one of humanity's oldest and most persistent challenges. From ancient civilizations to the modern day, the loss of a tooth has meant a permanent gap in our smile and a decline in our quality of life. Every year, hundreds of millions of people worldwide face this reality due to injury, decay, or age. For decades, our best solutions have been implants and dentures. While they are marvels of engineering, they are ultimately imperfect replacements. They can be costly, require invasive surgery, and never quite feel or function like the real thing. They are a patch, not a cure. But what if we could move beyond mere replacement? What if science could tap into our body's own latent potential to regenerate a natural living tooth from scratch? That question is now being answered in labs around the world. As we speak, researchers are conducting the first human trials, set to begin in 2025, using a powerful combination of stem cell therapy and bioengineered dental tissue. The process is astonishing. It begins by isolating specific stem cells, the body's master cells, which have the potential to become any type of tissue. These cells are then seeded onto a biocompatible, 3D printed scaffold. This scaffold is a marvel in itself, shaped precisely to fit the void in the patient's jaw. The secret lies in a cocktail of special growth factors, proteins that signal the stem cells to differentiate and organize. They instruct the cells to form enamel, dentin, and pulp, guiding the regeneration process exactly where it's needed. The early results from preclinical studies are breathtaking. Volunteers are showing signs of growing new, fully integrated tooth structures in just a matter of weeks. If this technology proves successful, it could revolutionize dentistry and indeed humanity forever. Imagine a future with no more painful implants, no more uncomfortable or artificial-feeling dentures. Just your own natural teeth, regrown and fully functional. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about restoring confidence, improving nutrition, and enhancing overall quality of life for millions. The ability to eat, speak, and smile without a second thought is something many take for granted, but for those who have lost teeth, it's a profound gift. This breakthrough promises to make that gift accessible to everyone, fundamentally changing our relationship with aging and health. However, with any great leap forward comes great responsibility and significant hurdles. The path from the lab to your local dental clinic is a long one. Scientists are cautiously optimistic, but there are still risks to address. The potential for an adverse immune response, the high initial cost of treatment, and questions about the long-term durability of these regrown teeth. Rigorous testing and regulatory approval are paramount to ensure safety and efficacy. Researchers caution that widespread availability may still be 5 to 10 years away, assuming the trials continue to yield positive results. But let's pause and consider the world this technology will create. A world where losing a tooth is no longer a permanent event, but a temporary problem with a natural solution. For the first time, humans could have the ability to regenerate a complex organ, much like a lizard regenerates its tail. This isn't just an advancement in dentistry, it's a fundamental step forward in regenerative medicine. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the tangible result of decades of research happening right now in cutting-edge labs across the globe. The implications are staggering, forcing us to ask a profound question. Are we ready for a world where our bodies can repair and rebuild themselves in ways we once thought impossible? What does it mean when the boundaries between biology and technology begin to dissolve? If this glimpse into the future blows your mind, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more futuristic breakthroughs from Intelxis Core.